What's up mga ropa? For today's video, we're gonna build MS suspension. This kit is already, the chassis is already been cut and greased. The only thing I need to do is replace the spring on this chassis. There you go. And then I got, I think, all of the parts that I'll be needing for this build here. And I already soaked the wheel bearings and some rollers for this build. Now is time to build this thing, bro. But before that, I want to say big shout out to Ryan Tan from Sakalam, from Team Sakalam. He actually gave me this chassis. I mean, this kit. He cut the chassis, he greased the chassis, he put some spring on the chassis, and he gave me a set of wheels. So this is the one that we're gonna be using. So yeah, let's start this build. Let's go. All right, mga ropa, so let's do this. Here is the chassis. I'm gonna use this. It came from Madtang. Basically, this like the anchor plate, and then I don't know what this thing called, but this thing is gonna be like from the back. For the back, it's gonna be like this. So I'm gonna use part, and then of course two of this pulley cowl for front and back, and then another two of this brake plate from front for front and back as well, and then the wheels, and then this one we're gonna be using this for front, and then this for body dumper. So let's go. First things first, I'm gonna set the front. So we have to open this. So it's gonna be like so. Let me check my other cars. Let's check Joker. Where did we cut George? It's hella dirty, dude. Yeah, so I did cut it through here. So two holes are gonna be gone. So that BTW I'm watching while I'm doing this video. I can't do anything without watching something. So I'm just gonna cut it through here for now. So it's gonna be cut like that and like that. Alrighty, so we're back. So I just really want to cut that first and then kinda go through here and set it up for a little bit. Okay, that's that. So for now I'm gonna cut it like right here, but I think it's gonna be way more. So let's do this. Let's get a tape actually. Alright, so we're gonna cut it through here, or is there gonna be better on the other side? Maybe here actually. It's gonna be much more closer. So let's do that actually. Actually, let's do it like this. It's much better. Alrighty. You know what? I'm just gonna use this as a little bit for a trash. Okay, so I messed up right there. So we just have to make it a little bit cleaner. We have to clean it up. Alright, so second is I want to set this thing up. So I have to get right here and right here, and then have to cut it like right here and the other side like that, and then I have to clean it right here, I guess. Right, so you guys make it like this. Now we have to make this a little bit bigger, just so. Just so we can fit this in here. There, so now you just need to do basically use this to drill over this. I think this is like 3mm. Alright mga ropa, let's do this. Let's go slow. That's one. Yep, it's right there. Perfecto, perfecto. So let's do it again. So it's not fitting. I just have to clean it a little bit. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. So front bumper is the one we're gonna do first. So like this. Alright, so we have to put this here, but see, it's not flush. You have to make it flushed. So now we're gonna do it on this side, in the front. Should be good. Yep. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Alright, so we need 2 of these. So we got 1. And then 2. Actually, you can use this if you guys want, but I don't use those. And then this small copper thing, I use that as a extension. So I forgot the springs. So springs. Alright, let's go back. So let's see if this will work. That, then this. So, oh wow. Alright. So this thing is way too short. So we're gonna use this instead. Yep. So okay, good. So that and that, then basically this is gonna be like this, right? But the only thing is I have to make this thing moving, like move like this, move like that. So what we need to do is shape this part, like half of the hole, shape this part, and then go to the other side, shape this part, and then on the other underneath, shape the other side. So from the top, it's here to the more of the carbon, to the underneath. For the underneath, it's gonna be right here at outside. So it's outside, and then inside the top. Alright mga tropa, so we're back. So I figure I think I'll just use this as well, just to touch it right here and right here, you know, just like that. And then on the other side it's gonna be like that and that. It's not gonna be perfectly even, but we are gonna try our best. So let's go underneath first. And looks like it's not working. Oops. Nope. How about this? We just use this instead, just to touch the other side. So I'm just gonna go like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, it's shaped a little bit now. So we go to the other side. We do 5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's another 5. Then here we go to the other side. I mean, upside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do 4. Nah, we'll do 5. Okay. Okay, let's try this out. we might need more. Oops. No. Here we go. First try. Oh, it's way too low. So we need more play from that. Alright, so just make this thing loose. Put the other parts. So it needs more. It needs to cut deep in there actually. That's what it needs. We're gonna use a different drill bit or Dremel bit. This bit is for mainly for porting, I guess. I mean, we are using this for porting, so we're gonna go like this. You know what? I don't want to use this. I know it's like a perfect diameter, but I think it's gonna make it worse if I use that. So I will use this, so I can adjust. All right. So, try and error mga ropa. And I need another screw actually. So, get a screw. Should move now. Yeah, I can live with that. So, all right. So, there you go. It moves now, and so it's getting stuck a little bit. Right? Oh, I know why it's getting stuck. Actually, it's because of the other part that I'm using. But it's mainly to make it like this and like that. So should I make it like a little bit bigger? I don't want to move it. Okay, I think that's good enough. So now, next part. For front, let's go. So I'll just gonna go like this, like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, just a little bit. The 1 2 3 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's it for that. And now I will use this screw. And then washers. You might notice this, but I will not use an angle plate because I'm not gonna groove this. I'm not gonna make it well, groove. So I am not gonna use an angle plate for this build. I feel like I need to move the light, bro. So this screw head is gonna be our angle plate. So let me show you. But first, I am gonna replace this with this too. So bow, 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 and that should be okay. Spring. No, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Alright, see that? I don't know if you can see it, if you guys can see it, but there's an angle now. We don't have to replace. See the screw head? That's our angle plate, bro. I mean, we don't have to put an angle, and it's moving nice. And now Ooh, hell yeah. Ooh, hell yeah. Woohoo. So now we just need this to make it work through here. And this one is good. Wait. I think it's perfect already, dude. My dudes. My dudes. Wow. Oh, look at that. No, there's a little bit movement this side, but none of the other side. And Jesus, that was perfect, dude. I like that. Well done. So, wow, I'm surprised. So now I'm just gonna trim this a little bit, I guess. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Then I'll just move it. I'll just move to the back side. Let's go.